For the activity in this Module 3, I chose the self-introduction video blog of Ma'am Cheryl Tablang to assess. Considering the tips from the discussions and video lectures in the Module 2 and here in the Module 3. The first question given in the guide questions for this activity is, what are the strengths of the self-introduction? Ma'am Cheryl Tablang is one of the participants and she is the one that I chose to assess her self-introduction for the completion of Activity 3 in Module 2 and 3. Considering the tips from the discussion and video lectures in Module 2 and 3, I evaluate her video introduction and I see that the strength of her self-introduction is she is comfortable with the words she used to introduce herself. She have a good diction and speaks clearly all throughout the video. Ma'am Cheryl have a pleasant tone and voice that enlighten the viewers to watch her video. And her accent can be understood easily. There is no usual tension while she is introducing herself. She shows mature disposition and comfortable at ease. And for the second question is, what point should be improved? The self-introduction of Ma'am Cheryl Tablang is very nice. She introduced herself very nicely with some key important information about her. The thing that should be improved as I watch her video in terms of delivering is avoid excessive saying of and all throughout the video blog. Also, I see that she is not choosing non-verbal cues like gesture. So I think that's the one point that she needs to improve. And for the last and third question, did the speaker express a personal choice or preference? If so, were these preferences and choices expressed correctly? Define your answer by citing clear examples from the video. Ma'am Cheryl Tablang showed her videos that she express her personal choice and preference. Her personal choice and preference were expressed correctly based on her self-introduction. As Ma'am Cheryl gives the information about her, like she pursued her college degree in Trinity University of Asia, finishing BS Technology. After 10 years, she pursued business career in Vancouver, Canada, and got a diploma of professional business administration management. After 2 years, she back here in the Philippines to help their family business. She really loved to study. She enrolled again in Alliance Graduate School, taking masters in counseling. Those information showed and evidence that Ma'am Cheryl Tablang expressed her personal choice and preference. That's all my answer for this module activity. Thank you for listening to my answer.